I know you've been struggling. Could you tell our audience what you've been going through?
Yeah, I lifted a box the other day and I completely went down. I haven't been able to walk. I haven't been able to really sit up, and sleeping has been extremely painful. The other day I was actually crying because it was so incredibly painful. And I came to Dr. V to just seek some help. I actually had never been to a chiropractor before. And every single week I'm getting better and better. There's less pain. I'm able to walk much easier. I can drive again, which I couldn't do before. So I'm just really into a lasting process of health for my spine, because I was not taking care of myself.
Okay, so let's show them what we do here.
Alrighty.
So we have special tables here that put people forward and preserve their posture so that we can analyze their bodies in a unique way and see if things are lining up. Is this or this tender when I touch Shiro here?
The right side.
The right side's tender. So she has a swollen and inflamed sacroiliac joint. This entire joint, where the dimples are in the pelvis, is swollen and inflamed. And I'm going to use a handheld instrument over her sacroiliac. And now I'm using another instrument over the same joint. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Right in here. How's this in here?
Little tender.
Little tender. Let's clean that up. Bones in the spine can move out of alignment. Scientists and doctors call that a subluxation. And I'm going to use a special attachment and work on her sacrum. And there's a disc here. Between the vertebrae, there's a disc. And it's putting pressure on the nerves that go down her leg. And she has numbness in her leg. And I'm opening up the spaces between the vertebrae to create space for the nerves that go down her leg. And I'm feeling with my hands where her vertebrae are out of alignment, and I'm working the muscles with the instrument. I'm going to examine the ranges of motion of her hip and check the muscles in her legs. And I'm feeling with my hands where she's out of alignment, and I'm gently putting the bones back in position. The body is a self-healing system. Turn your face this way, Tara. Do you believe that the body has self-healing qualities, that it has the ability to heal itself?
Absolutely.
And that's the principle that chiropractors work with. Thank you. Put your head back in the middle.
Sure.
The body, in the end, is a self-healing system. If you cut yourself, for example, who heals you? We heal ourselves in the end, and we'll heal ourselves best when everything is in good balance. And I'm feeling with my hands to determine where she's out of alignment. And she has a backbone or vertebra that's out of place right here. And I'm going to adjust that vertebra and adjust the ribs and line every little thing up. Here we go. Because we can heal best when we're in good alignment, when there's no pressure on the delicate and sensitive nerves that run from the brain through the spine to the living cells of the body. When everything's lined up, there'll be a flow of energy from above down and from the inside out. And that's when we heal most readily. That's when we reach our full potential. She has bones out of place here between her shoulder blades, as many of us do, and here as well. This instrument puts out 40 hertz of impulse, a physical impulse that moves the vertebrae. And the vibration of the human body is about 40 hertz. So we're using a harmonic to vibrate those vertebrae and create harmony in the body so that power and life and energy can surge through Tara more completely, from above down, from the brain through the spine to the living cells. And that's how we heal. We're working with the healing systems inside of her. Is there anything else you'd like examined in particular today?
No, that's all, thank you.
So I'm going to lift her up, and maybe you should tell us a little bit more about what she's been through, what she's experiencing, and perhaps what it feels like to get adjusted. Go ahead, take a step back.
Yeah.
There you go.
All right. Yeah, every time I get adjusted, I just feel this sense of relief off of sort of any sort of tension or pressure that I felt in my back. When I first started coming, I was in terrible pain, and slowly it relieved, and then I got nervous because the pain sort of came back again as my body was healing. And I think we all want things to happen really, really quickly, and this is a process that you have to dedicate yourself to, and that healing takes time. And I really spent a lot of time messing my body up, so you're gonna have to spend some time getting your health, back again. But I always feel 10 times better, and the drive home, I have more energy, and I'm just grateful that I found Dr. V. And if you're going through something like this, and you're skeptical about going to a chiropractor, or you feel like it just should be a quick fix, just educate yourself a little bit, and call his office, and come on down and try it, because it's really something that's changed my life.
Super.
Thank you.